Hi, this is Tejo again with another new announcement. In this session, I'm going to briefly talk about radar view. So, what is radar view? It is a latest feature within our AIOps platform that helps track outcomes and helps accelerate root cause analysis. Radar view highlights root cause and other relevant data points using an aggregated full stack view that brings together operational data like metrics, logs, and traces. And along with it, it also presents incident and asset data. If you look at some of the key pain points in AI ops implementations, first of all, IT tools generate a lot of data, and most of this data exists without any application or service context. And also, it takes quite a bit of time for IT ops personnel to sift through all of this data, and eventually it delays problem resolution. Another issue is with traditional IT metrics and KPI reporting, where it doesn't really align with service outcomes or business outcomes. With Radar View, we are able to overcome these challenges. Radar View helps track outcomes. When IT problems occur, Radar View helps with root cause analysis. First, it brings together IT operational data, incident data, and change data and presents in a consolidated full stack view. It then highlights areas which indicate a potential root cause or a noticeable change or an important log message that needs to be reviewed. This way, you don't have to sift through all the data and you can just focus on the highlights and quickly work towards a problem resolution. Additionally, you can provide your own root cause feedback so that our machine learning models can learn from this feedback and provide inferences or suggestions for future incidents. This is a scenario where we have an incident that points to a degradation in application performance. So we present the radar view to accelerate root cause analysis. At the top, you see the timeline around incident occurrence. And on the left, you see full stack assets, including web, database, virtualization, network, and storage layer. In each of these layers, we include a summarized view of observability data along with alerts and changes. Within the observability data, we bring all three key pillars of the observability data, which are the metrics, logs, and traces. The radar view then highlights metrics that are a potential root cause of the problem. It also highlights where it sees noticeable changes in the logs that are marked for further analysis. With this view, IT operators don't have to go through all the metrics and logs, and they can now quickly spot and identify areas that can point towards a root cause, or at the very least, it helps in narrowing down the scope of investigation. Using the same radar view, we are able to track and report on outcomes. We support three categories of outcomes: business outcomes, service outcomes, and operations outcomes. In the business outcomes category, we have an example of an e commerce web store where one of the key outcomes is orders per hour, which in turn depends on KPIs like failed orders, cart abandonment rate, and conversion rate. Similarly, for service outcomes, we have availability, of an inventory service. And from a operations point of view, we have help desk outcomes around noise reduction. And how we are able to track and report on these outcomes is by using the radar view, where we bring together data from business KPIs, service metrics, and operations data, and then we continuously monitor and report on the performance and health of the outcomes. Just to summarize the key benefits, Radar View enables you to track and drive outcomes, accelerate root cause analysis, and reduce mean time to resolve incidents. To learn more about Radar View, visit our AIOps solution page. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at info@cloudfabrix.com. Thank you.